If you don't see the recap option, there are a few possible reasons. One main reason is that the feature is still being gradually rolled out, so it may not be accessible in your region yet. In some cases though, the option appears on some accounts while others do not. In that case, according to YouTube, here are the eligibility requirements for accessing the YouTube recap. If you don't meet any of these criteria, that may explain why the recap is not available to you. The first one is minimum watch history. You need to have enough eligible watch history from January through late October 2025. If your watch history was paused or if you had auto-delete settings turned on, it will not count. The second one is the age requirement. You must be at least 13 years old or the applicable age in your country. Supervised accounts are not eligible. The third one is account status. You need to be signed into YouTube. Delegate users on a brand account are not eligible. The fourth one is the location. You must be located in one of the eligible regions. The recap is currently available in over 185 countries and in 17 languages, and these languages include English, Spanish, Portuguese, Indonesian, Russian, Arabic, French, Japanese, Vietnamese, Turkish, German, Korean, Thai, Chinese, Italian, Polish, and Hindi. So, if you don't meet the above criteria, it is likely the reason you cannot access the recap feature.